Yeah, Cryptid Busters. There's this really weird one now, man. This guy's wearing a mask and he's like disco dancing with a floppy taco in his hand. This is also a Florida man? Okay. Alright, everybody, enough of that. Welcome back to Mentatech Gaming and Collecting. I'm Buddy Mac.
Madman here as well. Hi there.
And we're just cracking a box of second edition today because working on a second edition complete set, and we need some cards.
Which happens to be the best time to buy it right now. I don't know if you guys have noticed the market like in TCG player, but Wilderness and UFO are actually more expensive than second edition, even though second edition has a smaller print run. So yeah, now's the time if you're needing cards to go ahead and start getting these, because they're definitely not been a better time for picking these boxes up.
Oh, and I forgot we get that
Oh, the box topper.
the box topper. Forgot about the box topper.
Save it for last. No peeking.
Yep. I'll put that right off of the.
I'll take it and hold on to it.
All right, let's just crack one and get going. So a couple of cards I'm looking for is the full hollow Mothman. We've already pulled the reverse, and funny enough, a lightning in a bottle. And I need him. That's ridiculous. I broke a whole box of second edition and never pulled that non-hollow. So
The sewer alligator?
yeah, and actually he needs to be sleeved.
I'll take him.
So if you could sleeve him. And then
Did we already get a Babe the Bullocks? That's probably another one we need to hit.
I did get the full hollow, but I do need a reverse hollow Babe the Blue Ox. So if you want to open that up. Oh. All right. So, in addition to the Mothman, the Babe the Blue Ox, also need a not a grafted monster, this guy right here.
You got the Grafton monster?
No, not the Grafton monster. The Lake Worth monster.
Oh. Well, monster is a monster.
But I need him in reverse hollow. And that is one that I did need in reverse hollow. I have this one in non-hollow, but I didn't have it in reverse hollow. So finally got the Chibiquetza reverse hollow. And it seems funny to be chasing these cards, man. You would just think that these cards would just be so prevalent, but some of the commons aren't so common, you know, in every box. Ah, Squonk. I also need Squonk.
Squawk.
I do not have him either. I have him in non-hollow, but I didn't have him in the reverse hollow.
He's still so cute.
Yeah.
It's cute.
All right. I already have these.
The mermaid scales, huh?
Yeah.
Full hollow. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Pop, pop, pop.
Ah, yeah!
Quest! Nice hit.
Got him in reverse. Cool. We need that one. I also need the full hollow. That's a great hit. Oh, this box is being real kind to us right now.
Will it be the box that gets us to the blue ink?
Ooh.
Stay tuned.
Oh, it would be so awesome if we hit a blue ink. All right.
By the way,
Black
if you'd
hole.
like to see us try to do the chase to a blue ink, like and subscribe if you would, please. That'll let us know that, hey, you guys actually want to see this.
All right. You wanna
Oh, yeah.
Let's see that. All right, here we got. Oh, we got a Pizza Bird.
Oh,
Reverse hollow Pizza Bird, and I needed that as well.
Pizza Bird up. I cannot wait to see a big plushie of the Pizza Bird. He would be the coolest.
Oh yeah, that would be super cute. All right, and we get Matlocks. Don't really need him. Oh, don't need to sleeve up those. No. All right. What else we getting? We got a black cat.
Here, kitty. By the way, guys, I don't know if y'all noticed, but Nightfall, it's stabilized right there at that nice magical MSRP of 149, and
yeah, it's literally the cheapest it's ever been.
it's the time to buy for that one.
Yep, and I have that.
Oh, yes.
It's pretty
And then
card.
Fire Crystal.
Pretty card, but
Oh.
not what I'm chasing at the moment. Can't argue with it though. It's a beautiful
Nice if the
card.
full hollow Mothman would show up here.
And we got Force God Amber.
Forest got Amber for the win. Full hollow.
Pretty card, not the one we're chasing. All right, what do we get? Full hollow Metal Man of Alabama, and I can't remember if I have that one or not. That may be one I need. I don't.
I think you have him in reverse. And I think you
Yeah, I
have
think I have them in reverse, not full. Alright, and we got Flatwoods Monster. Beautiful card. I already have it though. Beautiful card, not one we're chasing.
As a mirror, the color quality on the second edition is really good.
Oh, it's just so much better. It's so much more vibrant. I don't know that I can say it's better. I mean, both have their charms, but second edition is definitely quite a bit
Alright.
more.
Another black cat. Woohoo!
It's much more vibrant, and the hollowing is different. The packaging, packs
What would you be?
feel different.
What would be your top-rated set right now?
No, we didn't. No, we didn't.
Oh, we did!
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, what a great hit, man. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
I'll take him.
Oh, man, what a great hit. Man, this is such a good box.
And he gets a top loader.
Oh, well, don't top load him because I'm going to put him in the binder.
Oh, thank you.
He's going right into the binder because that's where he needs to be. All these cards are being chased for a complete set. Bunny Man. And he is one that I need. I have him in non-hollow, and I needed him in reverse hollow. So this box is really dishing out the goodies.
And I believe that is the one that we got at the $50 price range, so excellence.
Force God Amber.
Awesome. Be quicker.
All right. And had to make a break there. Phone was overheating. Definitely got to get a newer device, but hey, it still works, so it's hard to just throw that away, you know. All right, and we got full hollow Chupacabra. Man, that looks so
Haven't seen him
good.
in a long time.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Welcome to the Mr. Goatsucker. Old sucker, driving me crazy.
Ah, yeah. Beautiful.
The Phoenix Ring?
Yeah. I don't think I need him, but oh, I love that card.
Really?
One of the obnoxious nines. Can we focus in, please? There we go. Be tripping out. And a reverse hollow cactus cat. And funny enough, that was one that I needed. Had it in non-hollow, didn't have the full or the reverse hollow. It's funny the things you're chasing when you're trying to complete a set. And that Lake Worth monster, I'll need to go back through the other cards and see if I pulled it in a non-hollow.
I think you did.
And there's one that we need. The reverse hollow flatwoods.
We got 2 flatwoods. That's almost unheard of.
Well, we got 2 full hollows and a reverse hollow, so this box is being extra juicy. This box is giving us dreams, man. Whoop, whoop. Trying to throw the cards around. Ah, Slide Rock Bolter. I don't need that one. But, very cool card. It's Colorado Beastie. Not a whole lot of those. I think we got Bigfoot, the Slide Rock Bolter, and one other I can't remember at the moment. Hoop Snake!
Hoop Snake!
Cute card, not one we're chasing. So is anybody else collecting out there? If you are, what set are you working on? How far are you gotten? Ooh, Reverse Hollow Chaos Crystal, beautiful card. I'll take that one all day. Very playable card as well. Just got to play it at the right time or else it's going to be a goner.
I got 25 life points.
Yeah. Alright, what we got? Reverse. Force God. Do any of you keep Metazoo bulk? And if you do keep bulk, do you guys sort it? Do you guys like do deck building? Because I keep all the bulk and I kind of sort them by, you know, beastie spells, auras, terras, potions, artifacts, that sort of thing. I'm gonna clean up my pile here. Ooh. Hang on. We got a pile emergency. All right, we're good to go. But yeah, I do sort them, and if I need to build another deck, it's easier to go through the bulk and, you know, figure out what it is that I'm trying to get. Huggin' Molly. That's actually one that I needed. I had the reverse, or the non-hollow, and needed the reverse hollow. Who we got? Ah, Blood Ruby. Don't need that one, but beautiful card. Yeah, we're getting down to the bottom of the box. Got a couple of packs left. Have you guys cracked any second edition? And if you have, what kind of pulls did you get? Did you get good ones? Ah, yes, sir. The Jersey Devil.
Oh, nice.
Welcome to the party. Beautiful card. Don't need them, but beautiful card. Always happy to have Jersey Devil. And we get another Flatwoods monster. Wow. We're hitting all the Flatwoods today.
Man, this is a box of Flatwoods.
What else would I get? I'd love to get another full hollow Chaos. A reverse hollow Mothman would be awesome.
Bigfoot would be cool.
Oh yeah, Bigfoot would always be welcome. But nope, we're gonna get another Forest God Amber full hollow.
Alright, alright.
Great card, very plentiful, easy to find in the wild. Probably not the most cryptidy of cryptids, but you know, you need a Forest God Amber sometimes. Space Pants! Fresno Nightcrawlers, anybody?
Oh yeah, I haven't seen Pants in a while.
It's a fun card. It's a good time.
The 70s.
Hey, did anybody ever buy the Space Pants that were on the Metazoo marketplace for the longest time?
Oh, they were white. I was like,
Yeah, they're white with the eyes on them.
When's the last time you've been able to wear white pants? I'm sorry, it's just.
I think you can only wear white after Labor Day. So you can wear it. You can wear white now. It's okay. Or is that still a thing? I don't know. I just heard that on a TV show one time, so not like I actually know, because I don't wear white. I'm a far too dirty boy to be wearing white. All right, we got a Snallygaster.
Alrighty. Well then, that will be.
Give me that back.
No. Oh yeah, one more to go.
He's like trying to take my pack away from me.
I was getting you room to make ready for the stopper, sir.
All right. Last pack magic. Magic is real and magic is everywhere. Does it live in this last pack? Let's find out. No. Oh, you know what's another one that I need is a GeeGee Bird reverse hollow, and we didn't pull it. Isn't that crazy? You'd think that GeeGee Bird would come up all the time in the hollow section, but didn't pull one GeeGee Bird.
GeeGee is cold. Not today though.
That's funny, man. All right, let's see what we get in the box topper. What are we gonna get? Predictions?
I am going to go with City.
All right, I'll go with Rain. Let's see what we get. Now, if we pull a blue ink, I'll just be so happy.
This video, if you do a pull blue ink, come on, subscribe to this, boy. We can enjoy some.
All right. And we got Mountain.
It works.
That's a beautiful card, though.
Heck yeah.
Look at the shine. All right, well, thanks for spending some time with us, guys. And as always, peace out.